Hi guys, I hope your week is going well. And I think you already understand that if I'm sitting here in front of you, so we're filming interviews with our employees again. And today I will talk to a very open and positive member of our team, Yaroslav. And Yaroslav is a marketer at Interexy. Looking forward to an interesting conversation. And hello, Yaroslav, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Let's get to know you even better. So please tell us how you got into marketing and why did you choose this direction?
Okay. When I was studying at university, I had no idea of what exactly I want to do. I understood that I want to work in the IT sphere because it's one of the most interesting and perspective options for for today. I started my career as a freelance targeting specialist. I found clients and set up ad campaigns for them on Facebook and Instagram. After that, I got a job in a marketing agency as a marketer, and then I began to develop in other areas of marketing. I was working for 2 years and got a lot of valuable experience. And now I'm here.
Okay, and why do companies actually need a marketer and what is your main role in Interexy?
Companies need a marketer, first of all, to get new customers. The marketer is also engaged in increasing customer confidence in the company, promoting it in social networks. Also, the marketing creates the advertising strategy of the company. And my role at Interexy is all about this. In addition, I also manage several people like copywriter. She writes articles for our corporate blog, cases, pages for our website, and so on. Also, data researcher. He creates list of potential clients. He looking for people who may be interested in our services, and the automation manager. He automates all processes in our company.
Okay, so please tell us more about your responsibilities. Maybe you have a specific schedule for the day.
No, I don't have a prepared schedule. Rather, on the contrary, I start from the current situation and work on what the company needs at the moment. Of course, I have some exceptions like daily meetings and some kind of daily tasks, but my schedule is not prepared.
Okay, we figure it out. And tell us what inbound and outbound are.
Okay. Inbound marketing is all about building a branding identity, that is websites, social networks, etc. Everything when the person finds us. Outbound marketing is when we first contact people who are interested in our services. For example, we show ads on Google for the request app development company for healthcare startup. Or for example, we can contact someone on the LinkedIn who is looking for example, a PHP developer.
Okay, so let's get back to you and marketers in general. What are the growth prospects for a marketer?
The main growth perspective for a marketer is to become the head of the marketing department or to become marketing director. These are direct growth prospects in marketing, but in addition to them, you can also become a managing director and CMM manager. You can even take the position of executive officer.
Okay, so listen, it was very dynamic and cool. So I enjoyed this time and thank you for pleasant conversation. I wish you a great end of your day and bye bye everyone.
Bye.